Let's fix recycle bin corrupted today. If you are facing this error, just don't worry, we'll fix it. Just try to access the drive that's causing the error. And then you go to option and enable. And from this choose the view, and then you have to go down there and disable these hidden things like this drive and other things, and apply and OK, and then close this window and try to delete this recycle bin. Make sure you delete it directly, like shift and delete. Don't delete it temporarily, permanently. After that, enable all those options that we disabled before, and then just no more error. Thanks for watching. If you are new to our channel, kindly like, subscribe, share and comments. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Stay tuned.